because wasting my time. If you are, what you call that? If you are go to Rome, you buy a cake and chocolate and some flowers and also have a money. Okay? If you are not, it's okay. Then I off this. Okay? Because I watching the TV, you're disturbing me. But I'm so sorry for that because I am through with you. Are you through with me? No, you're through with me. What are you saying to me? Very true. Then my manners is what? Not good. And you is not. It's not good. Your manners with me here, there or not? No. Why you are? You don't understand it. Bye. Oh, then you say to me you buy and chocolate and flowers and cake. Then not. If you're really truly with me, then my request to you what? You buy that or Kwan, you tell me frankly, you buy or not? Oh, okay then. It's okay. If you are true, then I'll go to my room. Okay? Oh, bye. What? You don't? You sleep very early because you are chill, relaxing. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good for me. If you are truly with me, then lahi naman po ni.